Got ourselves a nice coon here. This was a blind set, just coming down this trail. You can kind of see it. I'll try to, right there. And it was just coming down through here. He's got it all torn up, so I'll pull the trap up and I'll move it further down that trail. But was going for coyotes, but got this big bore coon instead, so just gonna let him go. They ain't worth keeping, and then get it reset. Thanks for watching. We're back up on this farm property again. We caught the double on reds. Other set was empty. It's raining pretty good here now, so we're gonna get him dispatched, and then I'll remake the set tomorrow morning. The wind's picking up and everything now, but they still move in these conditions. Down here along this fence line, this side's grown in, the other side's not. It's a water treatment facility inside there. We picked up this big coon here. The other side is a nice roadway. I'll go ahead and get a video of that too to show you it. We got sets over there too. But picked up this nice coon. Gonna get it released, and it's raining pretty good again, so just gonna go ahead and release them and then remake the set. I'll just use some grass to cover it up for today, and then come in tomorrow and redo it up better with some dry peat moss.